In the heart of Africa, a flash of speed cuts through the golden grass. These are African wild dogs, elite hunters, and even better teammates. With massive ears and relentless endurance, they chase prey for miles, striking with near-perfect precision. Their hunting success rate? A staggering 80%, higher than lions or cheetahs. But behind the chase lies deep compassion. Wild dogs share food, care for their young, and never leave a wounded packmate behind. Once thriving, now endangered, fewer than 6,000 remain in the wild. They are fierce, loyal, and fighting for survival.